Book of Heaven, Volume 11, April 24th, 1915. That which Jesus suffered in the crowning of thorns is incomprehensible to the created mind. Much more painfully than by those thorns, his mind was pierced by all the evil thoughts of creatures. Finding myself in my usual state, I was thinking of how much blessed Jesus suffered in being crowned with thorns, and making himself seen, Jesus told me,
"My daughter, the pains which I suffered were incomprehensible to the created mind. Much more painfully than by those thorns, my mind was pierced by all the evil thoughts of creatures, in such a way that none of these thoughts could escape me. I felt them all inside me. So I felt not only the thorns, but also the disgust of the sins which those thorns inflicted on me."
I looked at my lovable Jesus, and I could see his most holy head surrounded by spokes of thorns which came out from inside him. All the thoughts of the creatures were in Jesus. They went from Jesus into them, and from them to Jesus, remaining as though linked together. Oh, how Jesus suffered! Then he added,
"My daughter, only the souls who live in my will can give me true reparations and soothe me from thorns so sharp. In fact, since they live in my will, and since my will is everywhere, they find themselves in me and in everyone. They descend into creatures and rise up to me. They bring me all reparations. They soothe me, and in creatures' minds they turn darkness into light."